How you can solve you can't use this folder to protect your privacy. Choose another folder on your Android phone. So this might be happening because the first reason is your file manager might not have been getting the required permission. So go to the app info of your file manager and make sure you turn on all of the permissions. And once you do that, you can even clear cache on your file manager. Doing this sometimes may resolve your problem. And another thing that you can do is moving the problematic folder to another destination. So that might solve the issue because the folder might have been the problem. So if you move your file to another location, the issue might be solved. And if you do that, all of these steps, you can restart your device once. And because sometimes restarting your device will solve the glitches and these unexpected problems automatically, so make sure to do that as well. But if doing all of these don't work, what you can do is seek assistance from your manufacturer or your local technicians. So you can do that and you can fix your folder problem on your Android. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.